Hello, everyone. Today we're going to talk about the importance of STEM in the curriculum. STEM stands for science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. It's a popular educational approach that integrates these four disciplines into a cohesive and dynamic learning experience. So why is STEM so important? First of all, STEM education prepares students for the future. In today's rapidly evolving world, technology is advancing at an unprecedented pace. By incorporating STEM subjects into the curriculum, students develop critical thinking, problem-solving, and analytical skills that are essential in a wide range of professions. Whether it's developing new medical treatments, creating innovative technologies, or tackling global challenges, STEM skills are in high demand and will continue to be in the future. Secondly, STEM education fosters creativity and innovation. Science, technology, engineering, and mathematics are not just about solving equations or conducting experiments. They encourage students to think outside the box, explore new ideas, and come up with creative solutions to complex problems. These skills are not only valuable in the STEM fields, but also highly sought after in other sectors, such as business, design, and entrepreneurship. Furthermore, STEM education promotes teamwork and collaboration. When students work on STEM projects, they learn to communicate effectively, share ideas, and work together towards a common goal. In today's interconnected world, collaboration is essential for success in any career. By collaborating on STEM projects, students not only acquire technical knowledge, but also develop crucial interpersonal skills that will benefit them throughout their lives. Lastly, STEM education promotes diversity and inclusion. Traditionally, STEM fields have been dominated by certain demographics, such as males or specific ethnic groups. However, by integrating STEM into the curriculum, we can encourage more students, especially those from underrepresented backgrounds, to pursue careers in these fields. This helps to bridge the gender and diversity gaps, ensuring that everyone has access to the opportunities that STEM has to offer. In conclusion, STEM education plays a vital role in preparing students for the future, fostering creativity and innovation, promoting teamwork and collaboration, and encouraging diversity and inclusion. As educators and parents, it's crucial that we embrace and support STEM education to equip our children with the skills they need to succeed in a rapidly changing world. Thank you for listening, and I hope you now have a better understanding of the importance of STEM in the curriculum.